In 2019, Division 2 was released. It's 2026, and it's still very impressive how the team fills up the environment with a variety of props and vegetation to give the feeling the world is lived in and built by a community within the story of the game. The art style of Division 2 is grounded realism. There has been an outbreak, and the setting is in New York City. Today, we're diving into the Division 2, and we're going to look around at the campus settlement for our game art environment study. Every settlement in the game has the essentials for gameplay. It has your stash, NPC quest givers, a place to buy and sell equipment and items. To fill out these large environments and open worlds, Ubisoft is one of the best in reusing assets. You'll see crates, fences, containers, railings, and tons of filler assets around the environment. Lots of wires on the ground to help guide the player to these different points of interest within the environment. Rarely will you find an asset placed straight and neat. The world is going through a lot in the universe of the Division 2. There is no time for clean, straight. Things are quite chaotic, and the set dressing helps sell that theme. It is impressive the amount of clutter and mess that is around on the ground. I don't fully understand how they were able to achieve all of this back in 2019. I'm going to guess amazing LOD work and lots of technical workings happening in the back. In terms of VFX and animation, to help add to the realism, there are tons of movement to be found in the environment. From subtle movement on the vegetation and tarps around the area. Lots of smaller objects on the ground have dynamic real-time physics, so you can push the items around. For lighting and mood, in this capture, the time of day was nighttime. I find nighttime scenes the most intriguing because you can't just rely on a sunlight that hits the entire environment. Here, you can see lighters at work, placing light bulbs where they need to be to help guide the player. Mixed in with the hand-placed lights, the moonlighting helps add to the atmosphere. Again, let's talk more about the technical decisions in Division 2. Division 2 is a tech marvel. The amount of optimization has to be done masterfully for this game to run as smooth as it does. Everything has to be nitpicked and scrutinized. Texture resolution on assets and props, mesh poly counts, LODs, LOD distances, everything matters here. The game is open world, so a lot of the systems need to be sustainable. Vertex animations, UV normal maps, asset reuse, material tint multiply shaders, and the list goes on. It's quite impressive what they were able to achieve 7 years ago. If you are building an environment, this is a great example of how to reuse assets, add movement, provide storytelling through visuals like decals, and make a world feel lived in. I hope this video was insightful, and if I missed anything, please let me know in the comments. See you all next time.